Whether you're coloring a card today or putting together Lego pieces, every single item that you touch is going to impact someone in such a powerful way.
When we first introduced the employee volunteer program, there was a lot of interest, but what we've seen over the years is the engagement has really trended in the right direction. Employees want to give back, they want to get engaged, they want to help address needs that are in the community. And so we've seen that this is a policy that works. Just really looking forward to continuing to see the trends moving in the right direction and more engagement from our employees across the country to give back.
So we actually began completely doing virtual volunteering at the beginning of the pandemic around April of 2020. So it's been great to engage colleagues not only in Newark but across the country. We've had great engagement from all of our business units, engaged colleagues even in Denver, in California, in Canada, and even in Mexico. So we're excited about what the future holds as we continue to really pivot these efforts and strengthen our virtual volunteering efforts.
Perfecto. Vamos bien, vamos bien.
Contribution to society is our #1 basic business principle those are the ideals that our company was founded on 100 years ago. So it's part of our DNA.
I think it's important for employees to give back because there's so much need out there. Because our founding father, Kanoshka Justa, that was one of his desires, not only to make money as a company, but to give back to the community. And I think we should honor his wishes and his mission.
We've just been sending virtual kits and kits to employees' homes. At this point, we've sent over 1,000 or 1,500 kits to volunteers' homes. And what's really happened is that it's not only our Panasonic colleagues volunteering virtually, but so are their families. So it's allowed for families to put something together for a nice cause or for someone in need, and really just learn about organizations at the same time that are making an impact and that are in communities throughout this pandemic.
And this is a great example of our partnership with the Community Food Bank of New Jersey to give back and address food insecurity that we know has been exacerbated by the pandemic. So just really looking forward to continuing to see the trends moving in the right direction and more engagement from our employees across the country to give back.